public school online classes, and I Aarti Tiwari is your EVS teacher, here to make you learn something new and different in EVS. Okay, so dear students, you have already seen the class first or video 1, which is based on chapter number 4, house. Okay, this is part number 2, which you will see tomorrow. Okay, so chapter number 4, houses, is going on, and I told you that in this chapter we will discuss about 3 main things. Number 1, the different type of houses and the roof. Number 2, the special features of a good house. And number 3, people who build a house. All these things we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, so before start something new learning, I am going to take a small recap whatever we have learned in the previous class. A jhatpat recap, a small recap I am going to take. Okay, so some questions I am going to throw on you. You have to give me the answer. But this video I am making in the empty class. So dear students, on behalf of you, I will give all the answers. Okay, alright. So open your EVS book first. Take out page number 2323. Page number 2323. In this page, we are going to discuss. Okay, so why do we need a house? This is my question number 1. Why do we need a house? So answer is very simple, that we need a house to live in. We all need a house to live in. And when we all are living in a house with our family, so that is called our home. Okay? ठीक है? When we all will live in a house, this is the definition of a house which I am going to share with you. Okay, in a Those who are living in jungle, those who are living in forest, they are very dangerous to us. That is the reason we cannot keep ourselves with them. They cannot stay with us. That is the reason they all are living in jungle, right? Okay. So, yes, a house always protects us from heat, okay, and cold and rain and strong wind. Strong wind. ठीक है? As well as a house protects us from wild animals also, from thieves also. Okay? And I told you that early man, see, early man used what? That time so there were no multis, there were no flats, there were no bungalows. So have you ever think that what early man used? Huh? Have you ever think that what early man used? Early man used the shelter to protect their self. Early man used what? So early man used this shelter. Early man used the shelter to protect their self. Okay? And suppose that, see, right now so there is no Khargon, there is no rain actually in Khargon. ठीक है? But in previous time, in early age, in ancient time, there were lots of heavy rain. So what the early man do? Early man will go on the peak of the mountain. वो क्या करते थे? वो पहाड़ के सबसे ऊपर के टॉप पर चले जाते थे अपने आप को बाढ़ के पानी से बचाने के लिए. ठीक है? This much you understand? All these discussion have you done? Have you understand all these discussion? Hope you understand well. Now we will discuss apart from that. And in the previous class I told you that as like human beings, animals also need shelter to live in. ठीक है? So dog always use kennel, a horse always use stable, a lion always use a den. Den means kufa. ठीक है? And stubble means a stubble. Okay? And cow always use shed. Have you seen that when you will go in any villages area, you can see there are so many shelters, and all the cows, all the oxes, all the buffaloes are using that shelters, and hen always use coop. Okay? Now turn the page, take out page number 24. Take out page number 24. This wala page take out, and when we will have the discussion on this page. First, whatever is written in the book, I will read for you, then I will make you understand. Okay? So I hope you all can read nicely. So read along with me. Type of houses. The heading is type of houses. So this I am going to rub it, and I am going to mention the heading type of houses. Yes. Type of houses. It means now here we will discuss the what kinds of houses are there in our country. Okay? So let's see first what is written in the book. People live in different type of houses. Yes, it is very much correct written over here in your book that each and every pupil has the different house. Nobody has the same kinds of house, because all the human beings have their different needs, and according to their needs they are making their houses. They are choosing their houses. Okay? So some houses are made up of what? Some houses are made up of mud, leaves, straw and bamboos. house, right? So kacha house are not very much strong. Yes, kacha house actually this was not quite right, because all the villagers they also starts making the pakka house in the villages area also, because they can understand the benefits, they can understand the kacha house is not very much permanent. Kacha house cannot protect us from them in heavy rainfall condition. Okay, so they are generally found in villages. Huts are the example of kacha house. कच्चा हाउस के बारे में and पक्का हाउस के बारे में we will discuss much more later on. Some houses are made up of bricks, cement, steel, iron and wooden. Dear students, read and make it underline some line. Line number 1, some houses are made up of mud, leaves, straw and bamboos. ये underline करना है words, so you can understand that कच्चा houses is made by all these things. And in paragraph number 2, some houses are made up of bricks, cement, steel, iron and wood and glass. So this is called pakka house, and you have to make it underline that pakka house type, right? So now I will make you understand what is the difference between a kacha house and pakka house, right? So first of all, we can divide house or houses in two types. We can divide houses in two types. Number one is yes. Number one is kacha house. Number one is kacha house. ठीक है? And number second is pakka house. Number second is pakka house. Okay, so these are the two main types of houses which we can see around all of us. So kacha house is especially made by what? So kacha house is especially made by the mud, है ना? Mud means mitti and leaves and straw and bamboo. ठीक है? And kacha house is especially found on villages area. Kacha house is especially found on villages areas. ठीक है? And now we will discuss that pakka house. Pakka house is made from bricks, cement, steel, wood and iron. ठीक है? Kacha house is made up of mud, leaves, straw, bamboos and these types of houses we can found in villages area. Pakka house is very much strong. It is made by the bricks, cement, steel, wood and iron, and it is found in cities. It is found in cities. So that is the two types of houses which we can see around all of us, and this is the difference. This is the material to make all these types of houses. Okay, this much understand? इतना समझ में आया? इतना समझ में आया हो? इतना आपको समझ में आया होगा. Now the next line, some pakka houses made up of brick, cement, steel, iron, wood and glasses, they are called pakka house. Okay, pakka house are very strong. They are found in towns and cities. I told you already Bungalows and apartments are the examples of the Pakka house. So make it underline, bungalow and apartment. These two are the examples of a Pakka house. A bungalow is a single story building. A bungalow means a single story building. There is only a one owner of the house. There is no any other owner of that house. And a bungalow means a single story building. And there is only a one owner of that bungalow. There is no any other owner of the bungalow. Okay. An apartment has so many stories. And different families are living on different multis on different stories. It has called the flat. And flat system help to save the space. Bungalow needs a big space, a big area. Bungalow will cover a big area, a big surface, a big space. But a flat help to save the place. That is the reason when we move towards the Gujarat, so we can found that in Surat, in Vadodara, in Ahmedabad, there are so many multis. People, those who are living in Gujarat states, they maximum numbers of people they are living in flat system. They are using the apartments. है ना? Rarely you can see the bungalows over there on the states. Okay? So whatever we had discussion, understand this much, इतना समझ में आया कि कच्चा हाउस क्या होता है, पक्का हाउस क्या होता है, what is the difference, what types of materials are using to make a kacha house and a pakka house. So kacha house is made up of mud, leaves, straw, bamboos, and these types of houses you can found in villages area. Pakka house is made by the brick, cement, steel, wood and iron, and these types of houses you can found in the cities. And the kacha house, what is the drawback of the kacha house? Beta kacha house can collapse easily. जो collapse means वो आसानी से ढह जाता है. Suppose there is a heavy rainfall, then what will happen? That kacha house will collapse easily. Kacha house cannot bear the heavy rainfall. No, it will collapse easily. And pakka house can stand during the heavy rainfall very strongly. Pakka house cannot collapse easily in front of the heavy rainfall. ठीक है? In front of the flood. Okay. So kacha house nowadays to all the villages people, they all are also starts making the pakka house in their villages. Okay. So this much you understand. I think all these information and learning is enough in this class. When we will meet in the next class, then definitely